we're going to register for Active Classroom. I'm currently in my homepage in Schoology, so you'll also need to log into Schoology and go directly to the Texas History homepage. I have linked Active Classroom right here in this icon that says Active Classroom. Just simply click on the Active Classroom link. It will bring you to a login page. It says Active Classroom. Mine currently says mphillips@csisd.org because that's my email. It has already saved my password. However, you have not registered for Active Classroom, so yours will be blank. You will need to click the Login with Clever. Login with Clever, okay? Search for your school. In this case, it will be Wellborn Middle School. Okay, so as I'm typing it, it already brings it up. You will select Wellborn Middle School. Okay. And then you'll click on CSISD username and password. Okay. So go ahead and log in through Clever. Okay. It already has my information there. You may have to type in your username, which is the first initial of your first name and your last name, all in lowercase. Type in your password for Clever and click Login. Then you will be active in Active Classroom and logged in and registered. You won't have to do anything else. Your information is already populated in my class roster on Active Classroom. Later on, we will practice in Active Classroom.